Chances Go Crypto Investing and bell notification, like the channel, subscribe and share to get that information and education and truth and unpartisan and non-biased or paid to get that information you need. And we just put this video out no more than a few hours ago, and we've been warning emergency XRP XLM 20 to 30% crash, total crypto market cap for these coins and across the board, and we could lose 20 to 30% in the total crypto market cap with a flash crash right now. And you can see we had that flash crash, and we've been warning for quite some time, and we did hit that technical target now, and we've been warning you ever since. If you were with old Vincenzo, we weren't giving you the fleece heisting and shisting, the moon boy talk. We were giving you straight facts. And look at this. We told you could give up 100% of the pump, crashing volume to very little. And look at this. You just, with that wick low, came all the way back down and touched a huge trading zone. And you can see in the 4-hourly what we were in before we broke that phenomenal, fantastic daily time frame pump. We were in this rising channel. We broke out of this rising wedge, or this neutral continuation pattern, had the first pump up to the blue trading zone, right? And then we formed this rising channel where you had uptrending support, support. Now you hit it again beautifully on that wick and uptrending overhead resistance. And then you had this big shootout. And we were telling you that don't buy the pump. These are going to come back down more than likely. And you can see XRP now gave back 100% of that pump on that wick. And now the price is starting to jostle around a little bit, and we're back into this rising wedge. And the thing you must know, if you break this rising wedge, you're going to come back down to that 37 cents. If you break that 37 cents, and it's not going to necessarily happen as quick as this, but if you break that 37 cents, you're probably coming back down to the VP volume indicator between that 28 and 31 cent range that we kept getting supported back here. And if you flip that, that could signal capitulation, where you get a 50% dump from around the 31 cent level. Does that mean it's going to get there? No. But has anyone else been talking about this besides old Vincenzo since the euphoric pump happened back here? And I'm going to go over this again with XLM, with XDC, with XRP. We told you there would be a better buying opportunity. And you can see from swing high so far to swing low, we're down better than 55.6%. And from the pump, we've given it all back. And I'm warning you that these lows, if people don't think we could hit 15 or 20 cents, that's very, very possible. We've went over this multiple times, and I tried to keep you out ahead of this. But if we look back in the monthly time frame, the volume on this chart is near historic lows, and it is at a historic low in this chart. And you can see that one little pump in the 4-hour time frame didn't even move the needle. And we've been trying to warn you this. The same thing with XLM. If we go back in to the 4-hour time frame, you can see XLM now is giving away that 100% pump and that 32% target crash that we put out up here. And look at this. Remember that horizontal head and shoulders? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, technical target. And look where we came and wicked down to the 10.6 cents. We gave you that warning up here. We gave you across the board warning. And the same thing with XRP. If over the next days to weeks, we get much below this, get rejected, and end up back into this orange trading zone, you could be coming down to some of these low lows near the shithouse down here at 4 to 8 cents. This is a big market shakeup. This is a big capitulation locally event. And we were down better than across the board, 15, 20, 25% in a matter of an hour or two. And we tried to get you that warning. And now it looks like you're having a consolidation, a little relief rally, some of the shorts going out. I did make 414% on a short, and we can go back and look at this. I didn't have a lot of money on it, but I did make a few $100s on here. You can see we cashed out at 415.81% up. So we made $214. We turned $54 into $260 something and change in just a matter of about an hour and a half to 2 hours based on the technical analysis that we were looking at. And I tried to warn you that this big flash flush crash could happen, and it indeed did happen. And you can see XDC, it hasn't really hit this yet. But if I was in XDC, I told you not to FOMO into this. I told you to be nonpartisan, unbiased. And this has the same look as XLM did. And the technical target is all the way down here. And this could just be the start of the great dump after the great pump and the most ultimate fake out in a bear market rally you've ever seen. If the buyers don't come in, could there be jockeying up and down now? Yes. But if we get much below 37 cents in XRP, much below about the 10.5 cents in XLM, you could be having another 30 or 40% crash from there. And nobody thought we were going to give all the way that pump back. You were up 200% in XRP on that pump along with XLM, and it's given it all back. And we tried to keep you on the need to know and on the up and understanding what was actually taking place with the volume decreasing, bearish patterns developing. The technical analysis stood solid along with everything that we know in our trading rules, and I kept you out ahead of this as the best and most trusted source and top cryptocurrency channel. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.